Seventh question. It is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? That is, the probability of, out of 3 students, the probability of 2 students having same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability they do not have the same birthday? 2 students do not have the same birthday. Now let's say that event E event is they have same birthday. 2 students. Event E is 2 students have same birthday. Then not E will be 2 students do not have same birthday, and they have given probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. That is, probability of not E is given, it is 0.992, and they are asking the probability of event E, that is 2 students have same birthday. Now we know the formula, probability of E plus probability of not E is 1. So probability of E, not E is given, so we can write 0.992 equals to 1. Subtract 0.992 from both sides. Here it will cancel out. So probability of E is equal to 1 minus 0.992, which is 0.008. So the probability of event E, that is the probability of 2 students having same birthday, is 0.008.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.